In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to show 18+ content on Telegram. Open up Safari. It can be any other browser of your own choice. In the search bar, write in web.telegram.org. Don't worry, I'll leave the site link in this video description. Now make sure to log in your Telegram. I already logged into my account. You just need to enter in your phone number and also the verification code sent to your Telegram app. On the home page, tap onto these 3 lines at your upper left, and then click on your account name. You will then navigate to the option of Privacy and Security. On this page, scroll down to the section of Sensitive Content. On Disable Filtering, make sure to mark this box. You will then refresh the tab, and once done, head to your Telegram application. You will be able to see sensitive content in groups and chats without having restrictions. Well, that's how easy it is to show 18+ content in Telegram. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.